This is Jeremy Schaefer with Grizzly Tote, and I have Clayton here, lead mover for Movers and Shakers, and I just wanted to take a minute and ask him about Grizzly Totes versus cardboard boxes.
As a professional mover, Grizzly Tote makes every part of the moving job so much better. The packing, the loading of the trucks. When you pack up a uniform tote, we have found that we're able to get much more into a single load than we otherwise would have been able to with just cardboard boxes alone.
How much time when you're packing clients does it take to assemble boxes?
It takes up roughly, it can be, maybe 50% of our times packing and trying to assemble the boxes.
Yeah, and then you have to cut them down, take them apart when you unpack, and then you have to get rid of the cardboard as well. When it comes to carrying them versus a box, which one is more sturdy?
The tote is definitely more sturdy.
Okay.
There's never any type of integrity issues with the tote. And mostly a tote stacks upon another tote quite easily.
Mm-hmm. If you were somebody moving and you were trying to make the choice between totes and cardboard, which would you choose?
Oh, I would choose totes, undoubtedly.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.